Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maria Farouk and currently I am enrolled in the Digital Marketing Diploma by IBA. So first of all, I'm going to start with my basic introduction. So I have graduated in Media Sciences from Ikra University and I am working as a content writer and a social media manager right now. So I saw this ad of IBA CICT and it caught my interest because मैं बहुत टाइम से कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ने का कुछ सीखने का सोच रही थी मास्टर्स कर लूँ या कोई कोर्स कर लूँ. And when I saw this course of digital marketing, तो मुझे लगा कि this is a really good option for me because since I am already working in marketing department, तो मुझे मतलब ये काफ़ी favorable होगा. So yeah, I just went with it. I took it and I enrolled myself in IBA. So when I enrolled in the course, तो जो हमारी first class थी वो थी SEO और WordPress की. So in that class we were asked to buy domain और hosting और हमें पता चला कि हमें अपना कुछ ना कुछ जो है वो startup करना पड़ेगा, कोई business करना पड़ेगा, उसी को हम लेके चलेंगे throughout the course. So I was kind of confused at that point because मैं जो हूँ काफ़ी नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हूँ and I had no idea कि ये डोमेन और होस्टिंग है क्या और इसको कैसे बाई करना है और हमें वेबसाइट खुद बनानी पड़ेगी और हम कैसे बनाएंगे. So these were my questions and I was kind of confused. मगर ये कि खैर I went with it. I got a domain and hosting and ये कि by the instructions, by the guidance of our teachers, I was able to successfully develop my website. और मुझे खुद भी काफ़ी shocking लगता है because I never thought I would develop my own website. So the project I selected for my course was a blog website. Firstly I thought कि मुझे कोई clothing brand या कुछ jewelry या कुछ इस type का business करना चाहिए, but then I was like it will get very hectic for me to manage business and manage my classes and manage my job all at the same time. So I was like either I'm gonna create a digital marketing agency or I'm gonna go with a blog. So since I am a writer myself और इस तरह का कुछ ना कुछ blog का काम मैं पहले भी बहुत टाइम से करना चाह रही थी, so I thought I should go with the blog one and I created my blog website which is buzzinbrew.com. So this is basically about travel because I love traveling myself. So I'm gonna write about travel wherever I travel. उसके ऊपर मैं अपना experience share करूँगी, अपने tips दूँगी. Plus secondly I'm a cinema lover, so I'm gonna write about movie reviews जो कि मैं पहले भी करती थी. Like I used to watch movies and I used to like write reviews about it. तो अब मैंने सोचा है कि I'm gonna like share it with the world also, and lifestyle and other related stuff. So this is my blog and I have so far posted 5 blogs on my website. And we have created backlinks और हमने SEO किया है, keyword research की है, competitor analysis किए हैं. So all of these things are done by the mentorship of Sir Asif Iqbal. And I have also run ads on Facebook and I have run ads on Google also, and it was a great learning. So my time spent at IBA was amazing. जो 4-5 months हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर गुजारे हैं, they were actually very nice. We get to meet like really good people. The teachers were amazing, the classmates were amazing, everybody was really professional, very kind, very helping and everything. And to be honest, I did not expect कि मैं इतने अच्छे connections बना पाऊँगी, but here we are. It was a really wonderful time, a wonderful experience. बहुत ज़्यादा learning हुई हमारी. Plus our teachers Sir Asif Iqbal and Sir SN Agri, both of them are like amazing, very knowledgeable, professional, experienced and always there to help us out. Sir Asif Iqbal की especially जो उनका teaching style है, it is absolutely amazing. I mean he got really good mentorship skills उनकी क्लास के बाद एक्चुअली एक मोटिवेशन होती थी कि नहीं, कुछ काम करना है, कुछ पैसे कमाने हैं, सीखना है, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना. ही यूज़ टू पुश अस अ लॉट, असाइनमेंट्स में भी और सिखाने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा हमें पुश करते थे. और हमेशा जो है वो हमें एक्टिव रखते थे, इंगेज रखते थे, ग्रुप में भी और क्लास में भी कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी करवाते रहते थे. सो उनका टीचिंग स्टाइल, उनका टीचिंग मेथड जो है वो अमेजिंग है. एंड it has been a great journey and a great learning, and I absolutely recommend everybody, if you are thinking कि आपको ये कोर्स करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू डू इट. So in future भी I am going to keep working on my website. I'm going to keep working on my blog, and I will keep doing my SEO, creating backlinks. I will keep running ads, and इसके ऊपर मैंने और ज़्यादा डिटेल में बात की है in my report, which I'm going to submit along with the video. So yeah, I'm going to look forward to monetizing my website and earning through ads and all of that. So since writing was already my passion, and अब उसमें से ये कि if I am also getting money out of it, so it is an amazing thing. So at last I'm going to say thank you so much to the teachers, to IBA, Sir Asif Iqbal and Sir SN Agay. Thank you so much for the learning, for all of the knowledge that you have given us, and yeah, thank you.